And there you have it. From all the previous videos, the cat obviously set the king of clubs, took the mouse outside, and that's it. Ooh, I gotta pick up this backyard. Okay, Anubis, well, obviously you didn't get a chance to get any. All right, Set, so you took the mouse out, right? You brought him back outside. I don't know what's going on over there, too. We got a lot of parties going on. So, okay, Set, so where's the mouse? Yep, so we can safely say the mouse is outside. Probably geeked it.